Let the circles C1, C2 touch each other externally at point 6, 6. If the point 6, 6 divides the line segment joining the centers of the circle C1, C2 internally in the ratio 2:1, then what is the value of? So what is the first circle? So first circle is with center alpha comma beta and the radius is r1. The second circle is with center 8 comma 15 by 2 and the radius is r2. We have been given that they're touching each other externally at point 6 comma 6 and 6 comma 6 divides the line segment O1 O2 in the ratio r1 is to r2 we know, but that is 2:1. So we know R1 is to R2 equals to 2:1. Now internally dividing in the ratio, so we can use section formula. So that means alpha comma beta 8 comma 15 by 2 is divided by 6 comma 6 in the ratio 2:1. x1 y1 is alpha comma beta, x2 y2 is 8 comma 15 by 2, m1 m2 are 2 and 1, x comma y is 6 comma 6. What is section formula? Division of line segment. We will be using the formula x equals to m1 x2 x equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Y equals to similarly m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Let us substitute values. X equals to 6, m1 into x2, 2 into 8, 16 plus m2 into x1, that is alpha, 16 plus alpha, divided by m1 plus m2, that is by 3. 16 plus alpha by 3 is 6, 16 plus alpha is 18, alpha equals to 2. Now let's go to the y coordinate. Y coordinate is given by y equals to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Substituting the values, we get 6 equals to 2 into 15 by 2, that is 15, plus m2 into y1, that is beta. So 15 plus beta by 3 is 6, or 15 plus beta is 18, beta equals to 3. Now alpha equals to 2, beta equals to 3. We can easily calculate the r1 r2 values now by using the distance between 2 points formulas. We get r1 equals to 5. So obviously r2 will be then 5 by 2 because we know r1 is to r2 is 2:1. Once we got alpha is 2, beta is 3 and r1 equals to 5 and r2 equals to 5 by 2. It's just now simply substituting in alpha plus beta plus 4 into r1 square plus r2 square. Let us substitute. What we need is therefore alpha plus beta plus 4 into r1 square plus r2 square is equals to alpha plus beta is 5 plus 4 into r1 square plus r2 square, that is 5 r2 square, 5 into 25 by 4, that is 125 by 4. So 4 and 4 will cancel. We get 5 plus 125, 130. Therefore, alpha plus beta plus 4 into r1 square plus r2 square, which is asked, is equals to 130 degrees. What is the concept we have used to solve this problem? Section formula, just the section formula and the distance between 2 point formula.